Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on notification for PayPal application on your smartphone. If you use PayPal to manage payments, transfer or receive money, staying notified of activity is a good idea. First of all, launch open the PayPal app on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. After logging into your PayPal account, go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top right corner from the home page. Once you open up this profile section, click on Settings. After opening up Settings, click on Notification Preferences. Click the Continue button in the pop-up at the bottom, and when you see this pop-up, click on Allow. Soon after you click Allow, you'll be able to allow notification setting on PayPal. Turning on notification in PayPal is a smart and simple move to stay alert about your account activity. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.